Hi friends, here is another basic problem that came in IIT JEE 1998. We are given three numbers x, y, z, all greater than 1 and are in geometric progression. Then these terms 1 by 1 plus ln x, 1 by 1 plus ln y, natural logarithm, 1 by 1 plus ln z. These are in whether arithmetic progression, geometric progression or harmonic progression. Right. So let's take these numbers x, y, z. They are in geometric progression. What does that mean? Y square equals xz. Right. We know this very basic thing. Why is that? For example, if we take x, y, z as a, ar and ar square, then we can clearly see a into ar square, which is a square r square, which is equal to y square. Right. So xz equals y square. Right. Now, let's take natural logarithm of this. We want ln x, ln y, ln z. Let's try to get some relation. Right. Let's try to take natural logarithm on both sides. ln x, sorry, this is z. Right, this is z. ln x and ln xz is equal to ln y square. Right. We're taking on both sides. What is this? ln xz should be ln x plus ln z. And ln y square is 2 ln y. 2 natural logarithm y. Right. We can clearly see ln x and ln z, ln x plus ln z by 2 is log y. Right. So the average, this plus this, if we bring it 2 to the left side, ln x plus ln z by 2 should be equal to ln y. What does that mean? Ln y is the average of logarithm x, log x and log z. What does that mean? Log y is arithmetic mean of log x and log z. Right. What does that mean? Log x, log y, log z, these are in arithmetic progression. Right. Because ln x plus ln z by 2 is equal to ln y. Right. These three are in arithmetic progression. Right. So what does that mean? If we add 1 to all the three, then those three also still be in arithmetic progression. These three are in arithmetic progression, which means 1 plus this, 1 plus this, 1 plus this. Right. This one. This is also an arithmetic progression. Right, guys? We are changing nothing. Even the common D will still remain same, right? Because we are adding 1 to all these terms, right? And this is in arithmetic progression. What does that mean? The reciprocals of this, they will be in harmonic progression, which is what the question is about. 1 by 1 plus ln x, 1 by 1 plus ln y, 1 by 1 plus ln z, right? These three are in arithmetic progression. The reciprocals 1 by 1 plus ln x, 1 by 1 plus ln y, 1 by 1 plus ln z. These will be in harmonic progression. Very simple problem. The correct answer is harmonic progression. Very simple problem. Just that we need to find x, y, z are in geometric progression. We need to find a relation between x, y, z and apply logarithms. Right, guys? Thank you.